Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to tea stain your Halloween costume so you look old, dirty, and gross. This is great to make it look aged. It's non-toxic, which I really like this technique for that reason. Ew. If you're gonna be the undead, if you're gonna be a zombie, if you're gonna be a vampire, this is a great way to make your clothes look a little bit more stained, and all you need is a bucket of tea and a little spray bottle. I have my plain white t-shirt here. I'm gonna spray the neck, the arms, and a little bit of the hem to make it look dirty in some fun places. If you're extra gross like zombie gross, make sure you do your armpits. If you want an all over tea stain effect, just to give the clothes a little bit of age, you just dump the whole bad boy in there. My tea's a little hot, so I'm gonna make this go fast. Keep it moving so you don't get it super splotchy. It's hot. You can wait till your tea cools. I'm just a little excited. There, this has an all over nice patina. I used this method when I worked in the theater and I had to make clothes look old and dirty. And then to add another layer of distress, dip your sleeves back into the tea and just kind of leave them there. They'll be a little darker than the rest of your garment, but that's good because that's where we get a lot of our wear and tear, is on the sleeve of our arm. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIYs. Happy Halloween, everybody. Bye. I'm gonna be so hyper.